So friends, let's start with today's salami chili fry recipe. It's super simple and really delicious and gets ready also very quickly. So here I'm going to heat a pan. Once my pan is a little bit hot, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now olive oil doesn't have to be brought to heating point, so immediately I'm going to be adding some garlic, chopped up garlic. So I've taken 4 large cloves of garlic and just chopped them really fine. Now fry the garlic a bit in the olive oil on a low to medium flame. And now I'm going to be adding 1 medium sized onion that I've chopped fine. Saute the onions and the garlic really well till you get the the aroma of the garlic as well as the onions, and the rawness goes away. Now I'm going to add 1 capsicum that I've chopped fine and fry the capsicum also well with the onions and the garlic. Now I've taken about 6 salami slices and I've just chopped them up into tiny bits like this. Don't make them very small or very big. And add that. And now we're going to fry the salami really well for about at least 5 minutes. We want the salami to be nice and cooked. So fry it along with the other ingredients that are there in the pan already, like the onions, the capsicum and the garlic, for a whole 5 minutes. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. So this is homemade pepper powder. All I've done is just taken some peppercorns, roasted them and ground them to a fine powder. You can use a mortar, pestle, or you can even do it in your mixer. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now you can make it half a teaspoon if you don't want very spicy. Of course, this doesn't become very spicy with the 1 teaspoon also. But if you don't like too spicy, you don't like spicy food, then you can cut it down to half a teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Or if you don't have mixed herbs, you can also add just oregano. Now I've taken 1 Maggi soup cube, a chicken Maggi soup cube, and I've just crushed it up. So I'm going to add that. So I'm not going to add any salt. Instead of the salt, I'm going to be adding this Maggi soup cube. But if you don't have a Maggi soup cube at hand, then you can use salt instead, salt to taste. Don't add both together because it will become very salty. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pizza pasta sauce. Mix everything really well together. Now this really is a very quick recipe. So if you're hungry, if your kids are hungry, your family members are hungry, you can make this really quickly. And then just cover and cook it for 2-3 minutes and your lovely salami chili fry is all ready. You can have it with bread, you can have it with chapatis. And now we're going to make some salami rice. So we're just going to pick up from where we left off. That is, once our chili fry is done like this, we're just going to stir it well. And I'm just going to add about a cup or so of pre-cooked rice. So you can use leftover rice, you can use freshly cooked rice, and just add that and just mix everything together. You can give it a taste, and if you feel that you need to add a little more of any other of the ingredients like pepper or more salt or more of the Maggi cube, then you can adjust it as per your taste. And that's it, guys. Your salami rice is ready. So these are really quick recipes and really delicious recipes too. So I hope you do try out these recipes, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya, guys. Bye.
I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.